folks, Dan Frio here with Your Mortgage Minute. So today we're going to talk about the economic calendar. Why? Is because the markets are closed today. So there are not rates being posted today, nor is the MBS market working. So if that's confusing to you, hold on a second, I'll get there in a minute. But the news today I want to go over is, because the markets are closed, is what's coming up this week that might play havoc on the market or might actually help. So let's go through this. First of all, I want to just explain what the Federal Reserve does. They have two mandates. One is full employment, and one is to keep inflation in check. So based on those two things, let's pay attention to what the economic calendar has for us this week. So like I said, today we see the observance of Juneteenth. Cool there. We have on Tuesday existing home sales, and on Friday we have new home sales. Well, let me explain these two and why these are important. Existing home sales are people like, me and you. Well, maybe me. If I go to sell my house, it already exists. So if I go and sell it, why am I interested in those numbers? Well, because on my house, I have a 30-year mortgage at 2.5%. Do I really want to sell that house and buy something else when the rate's probably 6%? Might cause me a little bit of hesitation there. Okay, so that's why I'm looking at existing home sales. Then the other piece of the puzzle coming in on Friday is new home sales. On that front, I'm looking at saying, okay, mortgage rates are up at the highest level in decades. So are people going to start pulling back from buying or building homes? I'll reiterate that, building homes, because if you build a house, it's probably going to take you at least a year to do that. And the uncertainties in the market right now are, do you want to get involved in that piece of the puzzle? Where are rates going to be? Where's the economy going to be? Are you going to have a job? There's a lot of fear and concern there. So that's why we look at the economic calendar. So we have that information coming in on Tuesday and Thursday. We have on Wednesday, Federal Chairman Powell, he runs the Federal Reserve. He's going to speak in front of Congress. Every time he does, the hair on the back of my neck, or the hair that I have left on the back of my neck, stands up. Well, the main reason why is because I never know what he's going to say and what mainstream media is going to pull and possibly take out of context to really play havoc on the markets. So I try to digest this for you and say, okay, here's what he really said in layman's terms. So stay tuned on Wednesday and Thursday for that information. Then on Thursday, we also have initial jobless claims. Remember what I said about the Fed, jobs, okay, and crude oil. Well, what does crude oil having to do with all of this? Well, the biggest piece of the inflation front right now is the pain we're feeling at the pump. So what that is oil. So I'm really concentrating on oil to see what that's going to do in regards to inflation. If oil continues to rally, you're going to see inflation continue to rally. But if we have a nice drawback in oil, I feel that we're going to have a steady decline in the inflation numbers that we see. So that's the importance between those numbers. So other than that, the markets are closed. What I do on a daily basis, I check out mortgage rates, and then I check out the bond market, the MBS market. It is the bond that trades on Wall Street that's yield is the biggest piece of the mortgage rate. So that's why we focus on that. So I'll be back tomorrow live. I'm working out of my house today because it is a federal holiday, but I'll be back tomorrow live in the morning to give you guys the feedback of where the market's open. And then I'll say it again, live again tomorrow at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time to answer any questions you have in regards to financing and housing. Love to talk to you then. Then we also have a live event Thursday nights for those that can't join us during the day. So we have a live event Thursday evening at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time where you can ask any and all the questions that you have there. Plus, I normally have a realtor and aka YouTube influencer that you probably might even know. So check out our channel the rest of the week. You'll be excited, and we're having a lot of information to pack into the week for you guys. So thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.